Across the globe, manufacturers share a common dream, their products reaching every potential client in every country. They often embark on this journey by appointing sales managers and investing heavily in trade shows. This traditional route is filled with hope, the hope that the right distributor will discover them amidst the crowd and pave the way for their global expansion. As manufacturers embark on this quest, they soon encounter the limitations of the traditional approach. Trade shows and sales managers, while traditional ways, often lead to inefficiencies and frustrations. Costs mount as manufacturers invest in booth space, travel, and promotional materials, yet the return is uncertain. The reality: conversations that lead nowhere, potential distributors that don't align with their vision, and the dawning realization that hope and chance are not strategies. This ineffective cycle underscores the need for a more targeted and strategic approach in today's competitive global market. In a moment of clarity, manufacturers realize there's a more effective way to connect with distributors. Enter DIATOMIC, a game changer with a vast research department skilled in pinpointing the right distributors. DIATOMIC employs innovative methods, like analyzing global customs data to identify importers dealing in similar HS code products, and scouring online databases, maps, and directories for every potential distributor, utilizing tools like LinkedIn, trade show websites, and company directories with specific industry codes like SIC NAICS. This approach transforms the quest from a gamble into a data-driven strategy, ensuring manufacturers every single suitable distributor worldwide. DIATOMIC employs a two-pronged strategy for global outreach. Firstly, they initiate immediate contact with the vast network of potential distributors identified globally, creating a surge of opportunities. Concurrently, they adopt a more focused approach, targeting the key decision-makers within each distributor. By personalizing their communications through emails, LinkedIn, social media, SMS, and other messengers, DIATOMIC effectively engages these pivotal individuals. This dual tactic, simultaneously broad and precise, is designed to maximize efficiency and effectiveness, rapidly expanding the manufacturer's global footprint. The unparalleled access to and knowledge of every potential distributor across the globe. This isn't just about reaching a few good leads. It's a numbers game played on a massive scale. With the ability to contact all potential distributors simultaneously, DIATOMIC dramatically increases the odds of finding the ideal partners. This comprehensive approach showcases the sheer power of having a vast pool of contacts at your fingertips, revolutionizing the way manufacturers expand their global reach. As the narrative culminates, the spotlight is on DIATOMIC as the ultimate accelerator for manufacturers. DIATOMIC isn't just about identifying potential distributors. It's a comprehensive solution. DIATOMIC prepares all marketing materials in the languages of the distributors, builds a vast network of commission-based sales representatives worldwide, and designs marketing materials in various languages. Furthermore, DIATOMIC's expertise extends to ensuring compliance and providing scientific support, crucial elements for converting prospects into paying distributors. DIATOMIC is the key to unlocking global markets and turning potential into success.